This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay. So can you please open? So do you have all the setup?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me your Jenkins console once. Okay, just a minute. Come to your button. You're running on dev server. Okay, you're running it. Okay, which one? Okay, policy one. Okay, your job is running successfully. So guys, today we will see the pipeline job. Okay, the same job, how to create in pipeline. You will come to know that what is the advantage, what are the different advantages with pipeline. Can you please open new what I can say, notepad. So guys, the same job you can write down in different ways. Okay, so programmatic way also you can write down. Now till now you say you like created whatever the job is there, right? That is called as freestyle job, guys. Okay, freestyle job. Now I'm going to show you very easy job, pipeline job. It is a programmatic but general programmatic. Okay, we have two types actually, declarative and scripted. Mostly we don't use scripted, guys. Okay, even I never used it. So declarative only we use. Okay, these are pipeline types, guys. Okay, na? So there is a type of job type called pipeline also. There are two types in that job, declarative and scripted. So we use declarative one. So declarative means the block will be like this. Pipeline. So in entire code will be available inside the pipeline block. And scripted means it starts with the node block. Okay. So here we write declarative because very easy to write. Okay, so any pipeline you can write down in two ways, guys. One is with shell commands and Groovy. Any pipeline you can write down in two ways. Okay, so I'm going to show you shell commands. You can say that if anybody asks you, I have experience with the declarative, so which is written in shell commands, so using shell commands. Okay, and here, as I told, the syntax will be very easy. So I'm going to write the same job in pipeline, guys. Okay, let me open it, configure. So here, every stage, every task, we will make it as a stage, guys. Okay, as I told, declarative pipeline starts with pipeline block. What is the first element in a job, in your job? What is the first element? Huh? Agent information. Okay, so agent, label, label name. What is your label name? Dev server. What is your server name? Hmm, agent. Okay, so now next SCM. So we can make it as a stage actually. So I'll write later. So before that, how to run my job. Okay, build trigger. So build trigger in Jenkins pipeline. For SCM in Jenkins declarative pipeline. Yeah. Okay, this is the syntax for whole SCM. Okay, so you have to add triggers. Next, stages will be started, guys. Stages and ended. Okay, so first pipeline block will start and it ends here. Okay, and inside pipeline block only all our code available. Now then after agent information, where you want to run your job and when you want to run your job. Okay, so build trigger. Then actual stages will be started. And in each stages, so here steps will be there. Yeah, so this is the syntax. Guys. Inside steps, you will write down your steps. So how many commands you have? That many times you have to write down this, guys. Okay, now. So inside stages, see this is open and this is close. Stages close. So this is kind of comment, guys. Notes pipeline close. Okay, this is not part of your code. ఓకే. ఓన్లీ మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి రాస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ అంతే. యూ కెన్ రైట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ పైప్‌లైన్ సింటాక్స్ ఆల్సో. ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాస్ ఎ ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ డౌన్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ లైన్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ దిస్ మీన్ ఇట్ విల్ ట్రీట్ ఇట్ యాస్ ఎ జస్ట్ కామెంట్. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ హౌ మెనీ స్టేజెస్ యూ ఫర్ ఈచ్ స్టెప్ యూ విల్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. సో హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ యూ హావ్? What are the different? What is the first step, guys? Git checkout. Right. Is it a plugin based or command based, guys? In your console, guys. This one, Polesium, Is it a command or a plugin? Because of plugin, you got this option. Huh? ఇది కమాండా మనం రాసింది SCM step. Guys, is it command or anybody there in the class?
Command only, sir.
Is it a command? The command కనిపిస్తుందా ఇక్కడ? కమాండ్ కనిపిస్తుందా ఎక్కడైనా ఇక్కడ? It's a plugin. Because of plugin, you got this option. Okay, it's not a command. So guys, here don't worry about the syntax. Any syntax, if it is a plugin based, okay, how do you write down that syntax? Mean already in pipeline there is a syntax generator. Okay, let me create a new pipeline. Click on dashboard, new item. So I'm giving some name to my pipeline. Okay, pipeline job. Okay. Here you no need to select anything, guys. Everything in our program only. Everything. Okay. Pipeline script. Here you have to, whatever the script I'm writing, here you have to paste. But if it is a plugin based, how can I write? If it is command, mean this means directly I can give like this, guys. Example, this is my command, right? If it is command, okay, example, one of the stage, sh, guys. If it is command, I can say like this. Okay, directly. There is no problem with that. This is also command only. This is also command only. Like this. Guys, if it is a command, you will, oh, sorry, one more. Actually, we have to give the stage name. I missed that. So based on your stage, what you are doing, you can give the name, guys. This is sonar stage. What you are doing here. This is nexus stage. Okay, next to Tomcat. Do you have Tomcat server also? Can you show me your Tomcat server also? Log into slave and Tomcat server once. Both. Your slave as well as Tomcat, both the servers. Quickly log in.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So actually in my slave machine, I have the, what is this? What you have done? Not execute binary file, something, I don't know what happened. cd slash root slash workspace Avinash. Okay. Target and student app. So this is my app actually, right? So last class I showed you how to copy already. I already did passwordless authentication, right? What is my Tomcat server IP address? Colon, and which folder I have to copy? So find slash hyphen name web app. Okay, so this is the folder. So already we did passwordless authentication, right? It should not ask any password. Let's copy this. There is one more stage. Stage Tomcat. Okay, this is for steps. If it is command, this is how we have to write down, guys. Here job name should be different. What is your job name here? No, I write first pipeline, right? Yeah, that's it. This is what pipeline syntax, guys. Okay, now command means directly you can write down like this. In simple words, I will show you guys. The, every stage is like this, guys. Okay, stage inside that steps. Remember this. ఇలా ఉంటది guys every stage. You can write down like this or like this. Both are same. Stage name. So this is how every stage, guys. Okay, now so stage name, and open the curly braces steps. If it is command mean directly you can write down like this. Okay, now if it is command mean directly you can write down like this. Inside steps, guys. Command అయితే ఇలా రాసేయచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా. Shell command. sh your command in between your command. So how many stages you have, that many times you have to write down like this for each stage. So guys, ఈ syntax లో ఏమైనా doubt ఉందా? Did you understand this syntax?
Yes, sure.
Huh? So
Yes.
if it is a plugin, how then example that git checkout, actually it's not a command. It's a plugin based. If it is normal, normal freestyle job, it's a plugin based. So how can I get these options? It is not a command actually. So very simple, guys. Here in pipeline itself, you have syntax generator. Okay, now. So syntax generator. So you can say there will be git checkout somewhere. Can you search for git checkout? Somewhere checkout option will be there. Try with C. Hmm. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. And provide all your details here. Which is GitHub credentials? This one, huh? Is it correct?
One second, sir.
Select it. Hmm. Okay. This is future. Okay. Generate pipelines. That's it, guys. You got the syntax. Copy this and paste inside this. Guys, this is how we will write the syntax. Of course, here first time, right? You might be confused. Okay, you make it in this way. Is- I'll show you normal pipeline also. Just a minute, without syntax also, so that you will get clarity. Make it in next line for
What is SCM means, sir?
so this one source code manager SCM means. Okay, so this is the first stage. So guys, stage syntax is this one only, guys. Stage name. Okay, inside stage steps will be there. Inside steps your command. If it is command directly like this, sh, that command. Okay, now shell commands. Because here execute shell you are using, right, in normal pipeline job, normal freestyle job. Execute shell required, compulsory to execute the commands. If it is plugin option, directly you can select them. One more thing, sonar one. Actually, for sonar cube, you selected this, right? How to get that again in pipeline? Again, scroll up. Can you search for sonar cube? ఉంటుంది చూడు. Sonar cube environment. Make it one by one from scratch. ఎస్ లో కాకుండా నార్మల్ గా ట్రై చేసి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి సెర్చ్ చేయి. వెయిట్ వెయిట్. యా గో. Here it is. Select that. Generate pipeline syntax. Okay. Where I have to write this? This is related to Sonar Cube, right? So here I have to write inside Sonar stage. Even here credentials ID, actually it seems some plugin related issue, I think so. Here just Sonar Cube name we have to give. In plugin that option not available, but here what is your Sonar Cube name? My Sonar, I think so. I'll Okay, I'll check that. Dashboard, manage Jenkins, configure system. Yeah, my Sonar. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is what your stages. Okay, so this is how your pipeline. Let me add. I'll show one more time. I'll write down one more time. Don't worry. Let me copy as of now. How it works, I will show you. Go to your job now. Directly paste. So you no need to select any other stuff, guys. Everything is in pipeline only, in program only. Okay. Okay, let's trigger. If everything goes well, see how you will get. Here stage wise results you will get, guys. The advantage is stage wise results you will get. See which stage is taking how much time. If it is freestyle, you have to open the whole console output. There you have to search for the results. What happened? I mean, in which stage it is failed. What happened? What is going on? But here, okay, in stage wise results you will get. Which stage is taking how much time. Okay, so like this, every stage you will get like this. What happened? Why it's taking this much time? Anything wrong in the syntax? Branch name correct only, right? Here T01. Strange. It's too normally. Why keep taking this much time? Maybe something problem with Git. Here also same problem. Previously it was working fine, right? Let's do normally. Where is that Maven repo file? Maven repo. Hmm, this one. Hmm. Let's do manually. Copy. What file? That's fine. Copy. Let's do it. Git clone. Is there any problem with GitHub? Maybe I think so, from Git side only because see, we're not able to make it anywhere. Even in normal freestyle also, it's not working here. Okay, let's try from master server. Can you please log into master server? So guys, can you please check from your end? Is it Git working? Anybody has a setup? Can you please log into master? What happened to Git? So I'll show one more time the pipeline syntax. Hmm. And how many completed or started that videos, guys? So I given multiple videos to integrate to work with different applications. Okay, now so like Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. So what I showed is Java project. Along with Java project, so I given Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. Those also, please go without fail, implement those also to understand more. Here your cooperation is required, guys. So simply listening class won't help you at all. There are so many other things. If you check my Google Drive, you will get so many interview questions also, so many tasks also. Please make sure that enter. Okay. Maybe in slave machine some problem then. Yes. Generally, any port not required for for GitHub. Only for this one, why it is asking port number? Something problem here. Maybe it's related to Git here. Something. Let me do one thing. Remove Git. So guys, if if you face any issues with any application or server, so this is one of the place where you will get evidence. So maybe I'm just checking. Is there any problem with Git? Are you getting any HCP and nothing? No evidence related to Git. But why it is strange actually? Let's move it. So meanwhile, we'll work on that syntax one more time. Okay. So simple guys. I'll write down now skeleton. Okay. So pipeline skeleton. First it starts with pipeline guys. Then after agent information. Okay. Agent like this. Label. What is my label name? So I think your server name is dev server. Right? Yeah. Next triggers. How do you want to trigger? Okay, now poll SEM or else webhook, those options I have to give. And here, uh, next stages. Okay, so inside stages, stage. First stage one, SCM. So it depends on your job, guys. Stage name will be depends on your job. Okay, next steps. That's it, guys. This is first stage. Okay, na? So guys, this is how the basic syntax, the pipeline syntax. Pipeline, okay, agent, triggers, stages. This is pipeline block, pipeline close, and this is stages close. Guys, inside stages only all stages will be there, guys. See, stage syntax it is. If it is plugin based mean, you have to generate the syntax from the syntax generator. If it is command, how to write down the command, guys? If it is command, how to write down? What is the syntax? What is the syntax? If it is command, sh and your command. Guys, this is how you'll write down the syntax. You can write down any stages like this. Okay, you can write down any stages like this, guys. So let me show you. Maybe we'll run in master itself, because it has some problem with GitHub, not GitHub, Git in the slave machine. I'm not sure what is the reason. I'm deleting. I'm just reinstall. I will reinstall. Let's see if it works or not. I removed and reinstalling. Okay. Something problem with the server itself. See, nothing was working. Let's do one thing. Let's run this in master as of now for time being. Okay. Here, let's remove this option. Okay. Something problem with the slave machine, guys. That's the reason your job is not working. So I'm going to disconnect. Oh, sorry. Agent block is compulsory. I have to give like any. Any means ఏది అవైలబుల్ లో ఉంటే అది తీసుకుంటది గైస్. See guys, this is how stage wise results you will get in pipeline job. This is the advantage. Which stage is taking how much time? Nexus will fail and Tomcat will fail. Why? Because we configured credentials in slave machine.
Sir, any means it will be install any of the server what is integrated with the master,
Exactly. As of now, I have only
including
master, right? So it's running in master only now. Any mean it will take one of the available node. It can be master, it can be slave.
okay, it will not be like both, right?
No, no, only one. Any one only. Actually, we are using one more reason is we are using this one, right? What I can say, T2 micro. That is also one of the reason. It's very small instance, right? 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU. So that is also reason sometimes it won't work out. Okay, it will be very slow. Sonar should work. Why? Because Sonar we configured with Jenkins master only, right? So like this stage wise results you will get, guys. If you configure properly everything, okay na. Maybe what you have to do, so tomorrow I need one more slave machine with proper configuration. Maybe the current slave machine it's not working properly for some reason. Okay. If you can make it one more slave machine with all the setup ready, whatever we did in the slave machine, right? Like installing Git, Maven, and like Nexus credentials, then passwordless authentication between the slave machine to Tomcat. If, if you can make it, okay, so that will be great actually. We can run our jobs in slave machine. But okay, the job can be triggered anyway. It's because of I think resource issue only. But any issues with the syntax, guys? Did you understand the syntax, guys? Syntax అర్థమైందా? Any questions here? So if it is plugin based means you have to generate the syntax. If it is command based means you have to write down like this, guys. How many stages you have, that many times you have to write down the stages, guys. ఓకేనా? ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన పనేం లేదు మీరు. ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఈ సింటాక్స్ we generated few syntax, right, for SCM. This one you no need to remember this. You can generate it because it's a plugin base, it's not a command. అంతే కదా, it's not command, right? It's a plugin based, so you can remember that. And
Sir,
here
why you are creating for sonar as well? Because sonar we use as a command, right?
no, for sonar we given environment also, right? If you remember,
Yeah, yeah.
it's very see, it's a T2 micro, right? That's the reason. If you remember, I added the environment, sonar environment, then after only command. Did you remember? Under the build environment, we selected one option, sonar cube. I don't know whether you remember or not.
Yes, yes.
So because of that, I selected. Okay. So this is how pipeline jobs works, guys. You can write down, you can develop the pipeline jobs like this. So any doubts in the pipeline syntax, guys? Everybody? Any questions in the pipeline syntax? Either pipeline, guys. Okay, now you have to develop in this way only. The same job. What? So, guys, anybody have you seen this yesterday's videos? చూసారా ఎవరైనా వీడియోస్ చూసారా? No, but at least in weekend, please try this. I think those are written in normal freestyle jobs. I'm not sure. I'm not able to recall. If they are in freestyle, also try to write down in pipeline job, guys. Okay. And here one more thing is still it's loading because of the load. Okay, you are that much load here. Huge load because of the like memory and CPU. Actually, in real time, will take big instance only for Jenkins master, like at least medium or maybe more than medium, large, something like that, so that it will be you will be having good performance. Here, see, even the page itself not opening. That much load you have. Okay,
We
so
should
it's at
go through
huh?
can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Tell me,
Yeah, we should go through the shell scripting for this, right?
is it a shell
To
script?
understand.
Shell script ID.
I don't know
It's a
that
normal
one.
command.
Mm-hmm.
షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అవసరం లేదు దీనికి జెన్కిన్స్ కి షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అవసరం లేదు ఇట్స్ నార్మల్ కమాండ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ నార్మల్ ఫ్రీ స్టైల్ జాబ్ దోస్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ కి జెన్కిన్స్ కి సంబంధం లేదు
Can you brief me again once from
యా
the
షూర్
starting and
డెఫినెట్
quickly?
యా డెఫినెట్లీ otherwise can you make it Bhaskar one more time I need a full setup. Can you do it in tomorrow class? I need master. Take a T2 medium, master and slave machines, not T2 micro. Okay, na?
Okay.
Is it possible? Can you do it tomorrow class?
Sure.
Can I expect
Sure.
from you?
Sure. You
Master,
want me
slave
to?
machine,
Yeah.
Tomcat, Sonar, Nexus, everything should be ready. Can I expect from you?
Yeah, sure. But I have one issue in Nexus while
Hmm.
installing. No, some command is not taking actually.
That means you have to fix it. What error you are getting? What
Okay.
command it is?
So just a minute.
Hmm. And what you have done to resolve that? That's my question. What is the error and how you fixed it?
Till now I didn't fix that.
Hmm.
I'm trying, but it is not happening.
So
While
guys,
installing Nexus,
whenever,
no,
huh?
while
But in
installing
Nexus, nothing,
Nexus,
na?
right?
Hardly
W get
4 to 5 commands.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah, W get option is there, right? W get
uh,
command.
uh,
That is not it is showing like connection time or something while giving this
uh,
command.
okay.
Even I have tried it from the Google commands also. Same commands it is showing in the Google. The
Uh,
same command which I give whenever I give in the while installing the this Nexus,
mm-hmm.
getting the connection time out error.
Uh-huh.
That's what yesterday I have tried, but it is not happening.
Maybe can you try from the different server, the same command? Sometimes it could be network related issue also in that server. Because if you see now, in slave mission, we face the same problem, right?
Hmm.
Maybe sometimes that server related issue also. The same
Okay.
thing try from other server so that you will come
Sure,
to
I'll
know
try
that it's
one
a
more time.
command problem or server problem.
Sure,
Okay, na?
I'll try it
Yeah,
one more
do
time.
in that way.
You
So,
mean these commands you will explain at the next class, right? Again,
yes,
after building
maybe
all the
write down
things.
right away. Can you share your screen? Do you have your set just notepad? Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Maybe tomorrow class we'll see. Simple, Bhaskar. So
Hmm.
as I told, first open is pipeline, close is pipeline. Okay, na?
Okay.
So next, where to run your job, where you want to run your job. So agent and which agent you want to run. Example, here you want to run in some slave machine. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
maybe master machine. So you can give like this.
Okay.
Or else,
That
no, I don't have any
server
preference.
ID we need to give, right?
Yes, the server name, whatever the name. Same in freestyle, whatever you did,
Yeah, yeah,
the same thing
yeah.
I'm doing here, if you remember.
Okay, okay, okay. Continue.
Okay, now. So if example, I don't want to give a particular server, so you can give any. It will take any. Means whichever is available, it will run in that job, that particular node. Okay, now.
Okay,
So it's up
okay.
to you. Next, triggers. When to run your job. Okay. Again, I got
Okay.
it from Google only because it's not a command, right? Polisim is
Yeah.
not a command, right?
Yes.
It's a plugin. So I have to generate
Okay.
it. Next, tell me stages.
Coliseum, then stages.
Ah, now tell me what next?
In the stages, we need to give the stage, how many stages we have used, right?
Yeah, stage. Now, what is the first stage in your job?
Maven
Yeah, I have
package, I
to check
mean
out my code.
package.
I have to check out my code, right?
Okay.
Ah, ah, tell me inside stage what will be there? Steps. Uh, that's it. First stage completed.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is your question here? Tell me.
No, I didn't understand properly. That's what I asked
Just
you.
you need
So we
practice.
need to practice. Yeah, yeah.
Definitely.
These
Practice
are
only.
the steps,
Nothing
right?
is there
Pipeline,
actually. So, see,
triggers.
I didn't get you. Come again.
Yeah, these are the steps. Pipeline, agent, triggers, stages. Well, these are the
That's
four
it.
options. We need to
I
follow.
mean, so this is mandatory. This is mandatory. Okay, trigger mandatory. Then stage. Yes, all these are mandatory. Stages might be different. Okay, now here, example, I given SCM. It could be something else based on your requirement. Yes or no? So
Yes,
whatever
yes.
I did in freestyle, now I'm writing in pipeline. Now tell me one more time. The stage, second stage syntax. Tell me.
Second stage should be MVN
Stage.
package.
No, tell me the syntax, na. Why you are going
Stage,
directly to steps?
yeah, stage bracket open,
Ah,
close.
so it is a build stage.
Okay,
Okay.
build stage. Hmm.
Now steps again. Yeah. Tell me if it is a command, how to make it? SH. Your command.
SS then command name.
If it is a command line. If it is a like a plugin based, I have to generate it. So tell me now, what is your question here?
No,
Hmm?
no.
Now, did you understand how we are writing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, this is our pipeline, guys. This is what pipeline. Okay, now. So this is a shell-based declarative pipeline. Shell commands we are using. Simple, guys. Very easy. Normal, whatever you written in freestyle. So my request is, guys, please, yesterday I given 5 videos to you. Those are projects. How to integrate Kubernetes, how to integrate Sonar, again Docker, Ansible. So different applications I given. So my request is, please follow, create both the ways, freestyle also, pipeline also, to understand the things. Okay, na? So in that way you will get, guys. This is what pipeline. So the advantage is here the stage wise results you will get like this. It's because of, guys, why it is happening means our instances are very low, like I mean minimum size, like T2 micro we taken for master and slave mission. So that is the reason it's taking this much time. Okay, now so see, even the page itself not opening. నాకు పేజే ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదు చూడండి. So it's because of the instance size. So tomorrow, Bhaskar, please take medium for master and slave. Set up everything. I need Sonar, Nexus, Jenkins. If possible, write down the pipeline also without fail. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
I hope you understood now what is pipeline, how to write
Yes.
down the pipeline. Okay,
Yes.
na?
And one more
It's
thing
just
here,
you
you are
have to
telling.
write down 4 to 5 times. Then you can
Yeah.
understand. Hmm.
And one more thing, you are telling it's issue with the processor, right?
Yes.
But while we are in freestyle, it is working.
No, now freestyle also not working. See, now freestyle also not working. See, even
I
I'm
think
not able to open the page.
yesterday class or something. Yesterday or
Maybe
before, day
it
before,
may
yesterday
not
it is
take
working.
every time same, right? Now,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
See, now the page itself not opening. Leave it about the job. See, I refreshed the screen almost 10 minutes back.
Yeah. So
Avuna
that
kada?
I usage limit is 100 GB main, 100 GB, sir.
Maybe we'll discuss, guys. I have to leave now. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow then. So,
Sir,
Bhaskar, please
నాకు
make sure that, Bhaskar, you make sure that you create your instance without fail. Okay, so I need your setup tomorrow.
Sure.
hello?
Yeah, Avinash, ping me once. What is your question? Ping me, please. I have to leave now.
Yeah, sir.